Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and this is going to be my top 3 favorite things about this water relaxation fountain that I just bought off of Amazon. And if you haven't watched my other videos on this product, I made an unboxing video, a setup video, an honest review video, top 3 favorite things, and why you should buy this product. I made 5 videos on this product, so if I took the time to make 5 videos, this product's definitely worth it. So moving into number 1 has got to be how it looks. So this is going to be perfect in my room. I'm going to go set it over my dresser, but I have it on my desk right now to give you guys an honest review on it for the top 3 favorite reasons. So the way it looks amazing, and that is definitely number 1 because it looks very aesthetic, and you have the water coming down, and then it's super easy to turn off and back on with the LED light, and it comes with the cord and everything. So number 2 has got to be the setup time. It literally took me maybe 30 seconds to set up, and if you go watch my setup video, you'll see how easy it was to set this up. Everything's so self-explanatory. All you could put that piece there, and that piece down there. All the cords line up, and it just looks amazing once set up. And then all it took was about a water bottle and a half to fill it up. And then moving into reason number 3 was I ordered this morning, and it came today. And it was super high quality. Came in a really nice box, so that shows quality, and I got it all set up and made a review on it, and everything's done in the same day. So that's time is money, and this coming today was amazing. So those are my top 3 favorite things about this product, and if you're having any second thoughts about it, go check out my other 4 videos because I'm sure you'll find a reason to buy it within those.